On August 16, 1989, an event that confused the world happened at the Toronto Stock Exchange in Canada. And that was, the Leafs won a playoff game. I'm just joking. Sort of. Instead, what actually confused the financial world was that several large stock traders noticed some irregularities with their trades. Orders suddenly weren't going through. Prices were acting strange. Screens were flickering like they were possessed. And the entire system seemed to have been having a pretty big breakdown. And what happened on this day ended up costing the Canadian traders billions of dollars in trades. It involved some geopolitical turmoil, some conspiracies, and also a very strange cause. A cause that may affect the world even today. You see, as it turns out, the culprit wasn't the Soviets. It wasn't an inside trader. It wasn't even some rogue programmer pulling an all-nighter with too much Tim Hortons in their blood. Who was at fault was, well, not a who. It was the sun. You see, the March 1989 blackout, the strange radar problems, the satellite hiccups, and yes, the August irregularities at the Toronto Stock Exchange, all of them were caused by one of the most powerful geomagnetic storms of the 20th century. And here's what happened. On March 9th of 1989, astronomers spotted a sunspot the size of Jupiter on the sun's surface. It erupted in a coronal mass ejection, which is a cosmic spitball of charged particles. That slammed into the Earth's magnetosphere a few days later. The result was a geomagnetic storm so strong that the aurora borealis was visible as far south as Texas and Cuba. The CAT's computers that power the Toronto Stock Exchange were among the unlucky victims. Their sudden hiccups on August 16th were not sabotage or some software bug, but the fingerprints of a geomagnetic storm that weakened the infrastructure of the entire system.